Hi, I'm Mark for PVCFittingsOnline.com. Today we're going to make a ring toss game using half-inch PVC pipe, half-inch fittings, and clear vinyl tubing. Some tools you're going to need are pipe cutters, a tape measure, maybe scissors, and a hot glue gun. The materials you'll need are about 10 feet of half-inch PVC pipe. You'll need one in the length of 16 inches, 4 in the length of 12 inches, and 4 in the length of 10 inches. You're going to need one half-inch 5-way fitting, 4 half-inch 90-degree elbows, 5 half-inch end caps. To make the rings, you're going to need half-inch clear vinyl tubing, about 10 feet in length will work, and then you're going to need 3 to 6 half-inch copper connectors. Let's get started building. Take the 16-inch long PVC pipe and the 5-way fitting and put that into the center socket so it's facing upward. Then you're going to take each 10-inch long piece and insert them into the open sockets on the 5-way fitting. So now we have our base. Now we're going to take the 4 half-inch 90-degree elbows and put those on each end of the open end of the pipe. Make sure the open end of the elbow is facing upward. Now we're going to take our 12-inch long pipe and insert those into each of the open elbows pointing up. Then you're going to take the end caps and cap off each of the vertical pipes, including the center pipe. So now our base is done. If you want to build this permanently, you can use primer and cement to secure each of the fittings together. If you're going to be shuffling it around, taking it to the beach, to the backyard, you may want to put it together as is and just move it around each time. You could use self-tapping screws to help and just remove those each time so it's secure. With your vinyl tubing, you're going to make the rings. You're going to measure out about 20 inches and use your scissors or even your pipe cutters to cut 20 inches in length. And then you're going to insert one end of the clear vinyl tube into the open end of the copper socket and then the other end of the copper socket. And you've made your ring. To make this permanent, you can either use clamps to clamp down the copper to the tube, or if you don't have a clamp, you can use hot glue and hot glue the inside to work. You can get fancy. You can drop paint inside the clear tube to add some color. That'll provide protection so the paint doesn't chip off. But you're ready to go. Go have fun.